So here we have the Citroen Berlingo van on a 19 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of it, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. What we'll start off by doing is looking at the storage in the rear of the van first of all. So as we approach the back of it, you can see we have reversing sensors, the tow bar as well. It's all been ply lined. We have that full metal bulkhead and sliding side door access just there as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the van, and then we'll hop in and run through a few of the controls on the inside of it from there. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the van, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the speedometer. On the right-hand side, the rev counter. And then in the centre, you can see, firstly, the total miles for the van. They are 73,596. And above that, we have a digital readout for the speedometer. If we back out to the steering wheel, just behind the steering wheel here, you can see we've got cruise control and speed limiter for the van. And then in the centre, the main touchscreen. So you can access your radio, audio menu, which we're on at the moment. You can see we've got the radio, auxiliary input, USB input, and iPod input as well. So plenty of ways to listen to your music in here. You can also access various different settings. For example, if you connect up your smartphone, you can access a Citroen friendly app that will allow you to project satellite navigation up onto the screen there. Below that, we have the air conditioning. So you can adjust the fan speed and the temperature, the direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off, back on again from there. You can recirculate the air that's in the van. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you set over here, of course. We then have a 5-speed manual gearbox and the electronic handbrake just there. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the van for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Mach 1 Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.